Welcome to this YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn the importance of a multimeter and how to use it. This device that you see is called a digital clamp meter, but it functions purely as a multimeter. Okay, simply a multimeter performs a given number of tasks, that is to say, to test for continuity, to test for resistance, tests the voltage, AC voltage and the DC voltage. AC is alternating current, DC is direct current. It tests the amperage of the cable. Okay, let's dive into how to use it. One, what we are going to do, we are going to start with the continuity test. The continuity test here, we are subjected to testing whether our conductor is continuous. There is no any fault in between here. So what we do, this multimeter simply has two knobs, the black one and the red one. So we bring the black one, we place it here, and the red one, it's also brought and placed here. Since we are testing for continuity, we just twist our knob to the continuity sign. That continuity sign, it shows that when the multimeter makes some sound, our conductor is continuous. So we get the black knob, we place at one end of the conductor, then the red one is placed at the other end of the conductor. That sound that you are hearing shows that our conductor is continuous. When you place it to another one, there will be no sound. That means that one is not the same conductor. Okay, let's dive into another test. The other test that the multimeter does, the multimeter helps in testing voltage. For voltage, we simply turn this knob. Since we are testing for AC, we turn it to the AC voltage position. We are going to test for voltage. Here I'm going to use my extension. So in testing for voltage, I first put my black knob to one, the live, then the red one to the neutral terminal. So it will give me the 242 voltage. So this means the voltage that this extension is carrying is 240. Hope I'm clear with that. So in the next video, I will be showing you how we test for the amperage and resistance using a multimeter. Simply what you have to do is to comment what you want me to record for you, and like this video, share it with your colleagues, and subscribe. Thank you for your eyeballs. I'm Bukenya Faizo.